Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to equalize grids and add new cells in Wix Studio. This is incredibly useful when you want your website layout to look clean and professional with perfectly aligned sections that automatically adjust to match each other's dimensions. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll want to click on Site and Mobile App. This is where you'll access the specific website you want to work on and make changes to its grid structure. From this page, take a moment to preview the website settings you currently have. It's important to confirm that this is indeed the website where you wish to equalize the cells on your section. You don't want to accidentally edit the wrong site, so double-check before proceeding to the next step. Now, locate the Edit Site button, which you'll typically find on the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. Click on this button to proceed. This action will direct you to the Wix Studio website editor screen, where all the real design work happens. This is your workspace for building and adjusting your site's layout, and it's where we'll complete the entire process of adding and equalizing cells. We'll start by adding a new section to fully demonstrate the whole process from beginning to end. Click on the Add New Section option. Once the section is added to your page, you can start adding your cells either vertically or horizontally, depending on how you want your content structured. This flexibility allows you to create custom layouts that suit your specific design vision. Now comes the important part, equalizing the grid. Click on the Layers menu located on the left navigation menu. This will open up a comprehensive list of all the sections you currently have in your Wix website. From here, locate and select the section you've just created along with the cells inside it. Right-click on the section and you'll see an Equalize Grid option appear. Hover your cursor over this option and you'll be presented with choices to equalize horizontally, vertically, or both. Watch closely as the cells automatically adjust to match each other's sizes. This feature ensures that your grid looks perfectly balanced and professional without you having to manually measure and adjust each element. And that's it. You've successfully equalized your grids and added new cells in Wix Studio, giving your website a polished and cohesive appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.